Hello everyone, this is about tutorial and showcase for TileEditor++. Let's start with the settings. Here you can select your language, window style, autosave and texture size options. The language and window options will require a restart to apply. Back in the menu you can load the JSON map like this. Or create a new empty map here. Pressing these buttons will change the size of map you are going to create. Some key combinations, like by holding shift or control, changes how it's going to increase or decrease. As you go to the desired size, click create and create your map. In the editor you will see 4 buttons at top left. From top to bottom they are settings panel, debug panel, toggle text on tiles and toggle textures or color representation. You can open the settings panel by simply clicking on it or pressing the escape key. In settings panel, you can exit to desktop or menu, load a JSON map or export your map. You can export your map to terminal, if you see it, as header, best for C projects, or as JSON, which is good for compatibility and the program only accepts JSON files. Also you see it was RAW and RLA here. These are encodings for the map. You can read the controls and technicalities.odt for more information. Back in the editor, the debug mode simply offers you options like reset camera zoom and position, set all tiles to 0 and toggle camera limits. These text on tiles are showing their ID, you can toggle it here. And also you can render tiles as predetermined colors or as textures. You can find these textures as system folder and change it with your own textures. Bottom left you will see your tool as an icon, your brush size and your tool as a name. You can switch your tools by pressing on the icon or pressing 1, 2, 3 keys. You can change which ID you are going to paint as with Z and X keys. Also brush size. You can change your brush size by pressing tab key. Lastly, there is a kinda secret tool. If you hold Ctrl, you can get eraser. It simply sets all tiles to 0. Well, in this part of video, I usually show how to import maps to another project, but luckily I'll release TileEditor++ developer kit. It's a simple set of code and examples to show you how to import maps with different encoding and extensions to your project. You can download it for free and use the code in your project.